Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our Palaboy Trader Crypto Koto channel. So we have a new tokens we're going to discuss again, which is going to be launched here in ProBit.com. Actually, it's launching already. So we have a few hours or quite maybe a couple of days before the launching is completed. So this token is called the Mint tokens. So we're minting a new Mint token. So this type of token has a new purpose. So as you remember last time, there was a use case for the previous token that we have discussed here in ProBit.com. So this one, the Mint token, will be used to buy hash tokens that will be used to mine Bitcoins. So the good thing for this new type of token that we're going to discuss is that it's green, for green energy. So you know that when we're doing some cryptocurrency mining, we use a lot of energy. So this one, the plan of this token is to create a based on renewable energies. Okay, so let's discuss about this Mint token launching in the Launchpad of ProBit.com. And welcome back guys. So we're going to discuss again, as I mentioned to you, this new Mint token. Actually, they will have their Telegram AMA by September 26. And then the launching of token starts today. And I think for the coming few days. So this is our chance to buy a low price token. So this new token is called the Mint token. So actually, we have the Launchpad here. When you go to ProBit.com and you click the Launchpad, so it will bring you to the tokens that they are currently launching. So the one that going to end in 1 day and 13 hours, so almost completed, but ongoing already is the second round of Mint token. So we will see the details here later on. So as I mentioned to you, so this is the platform that we're gonna use. Hopefully, you already registered on this ProBit.com platform because this is where we can only buy this launching of the tokens. Okay, so before we continue with the discussions, as usual, please don't forget to subscribe to our Palaboy Trader Crypto Koto channel and take a note, take a look at what we're discussing here. So we all concentrate on cryptos. So we have tutorials here and we review tokens, especially those launching, because we know that the prices currently are very, very low as compared when they are already launched in platforms like if we can trade already in ProBit.com. But of course, as usual, we have a disclaimer, so you better double check before buying or entering into any trades and joining this minting of tokens, because they require capital and make or complete your due diligence before you go to them. Okay, so now we can start the discussion. So I was taking a look at the prices of Bitcoin because this token is related to mining in Bitcoin. So as you can see here, the price of Bitcoin is still going up. There are ups and downs on its way, but currently its price is around 111,000 per Bitcoin. So there's a lot of possibility of still increasing because there's a demand for the token. So this launching of Mint token will utilize that popularity of Bitcoin. So we go to the Mint, it's second round already, Mint of second round, so we can know the details for this token. So when you click this one, it will bring you to this page, which will discuss its details. Of course, we should know what's the use of this token before buying, right? So I will show you again how to buy. So this token is launching already September 25 until September 27. So if you have a ProBit token, so if you buy here in ProBit.com, you will have a 30% bonus. So there's a bonus when buying the token. And if you use other tokens like USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, so 15% bonus. So by the way, this token is used to mine Bitcoin, right? But it's using the ERC20. So it's tied to the Ethereum platform. So it uses the technology of Ethereum. Okay, so you can use USDT, Bitcoin, or Ethereum. So you just put For example, if you're use on USDT, you can click here and then you can put how much you want to buy. For example, if you have 100 USDT, you can buy up to 776 mint token. Then you click all the agree button, and if you really want to buy now, you can click the buy button. So that's how easy it is to buy on probit.com. So later on, I will buy also. I have to manage my account first, and then I will buy some tokens also for this token. Last time, if you watch our previous video here, you can go back here, and we bought a token also from the previous this one from the previous discussions that we have. A launching of another token last time. So we will buy also here for this mint token. Of course, this is the lowest price we can buy at this period of times. So as I mentioned, once launched, the price can go up. It can go down as well, but if this one has a good case, then it will probably go up in the future. Okay, so based on this, the name is Green Minting Token, but its ticker symbol is Mint. Okay, so the current price is 0.17 USDT per token, and you can get those bonuses. So our hard capitalization is around 13 million. So the total supply of tokens is around 2 billion tokens. So it's using the Ethereum network ERC20. So if you want to view the smart contract, click on this one. And if you want to see their social media, so you can click all the links here. So it will go to the social medias. Okay, so once up, we'll show you, or we can see now. So you can see the mint token here. Okay, it's an off-grid 600 megawatts renewable energy, as I've mentioned to you, and it's used for mining Bitcoin wrapped in ERC token. Okay, so they have the live updates here, so you can later take a look on it. Okay, so we go back to the other details. Okay, so it's the same off-grid 600 megawatt renewable powered BTC mining and HPC and ERC20 token. So the main difference with this one is you will use the mint token to buy the tokenized hash. So this tokenized hash will be used as a mining power for Bitcoin. So later on, you buy Bitcoin mint token now, and then you buy the tokenized hash. And then when during the mining, it will give you Bitcoin tokens. So that's the basic concept of this Mint token. So Mint is bringing to the market the world's first tokenized mining platform. Okay, so we have all the details here, so we'll read a bit so we can understand. Of course, we should know first before going on buying these tokens. So the Mint tokens are fungible tokens that are used in the Mint ecosystem. Okay, so hashing tokens, this is the one I mentioned, represent 1 exahash of computing power in the Mint ecosystem. So this will power the Bitcoin miner. Okay, so that's why we need, there are two tokens involved actually. So but the one that's being for the sale right now is the Mint token. This hash token can only be bought using this Mint token later on. So 600 megawatts mining, so a lot of power, and the future of AI. So Mint tokens are designed to be used for purchasing the available hashing tokens. So one of the advantages of using this technology, the hashing tokens, once you buy the hashing token, the Mint token that was used for buying will be completely removed from the system. So there's a limited amount, and then the token will number of tokens will decrease. So there's a tendency also for the Mint token price to go high. So I was thinking also, why not just stay at the Mint token, and then because as the number of tokens decrease, then the price of that Mint token in the future will increase also. Okay, so number of tokens, we have 2 billion, hashing power 32.7 EH per second, invested assets is 1.2 billion, and this program will have a mining of up to 12 years. So it will be a long time project. So Mint available by public sale, 95%, and then 25 plus CX. So 25 platforms, they will list the token. So one of the concepts of using this token is they will use the renewable energies. of course, because we want to be green, right? We know that Bitcoin is consuming a lot of mining power, but this one will use the renewable energy. Okay, so these are some of the details you can see here. And then tokenomics, as I mentioned, there are 2 billion tokens. 95% will go to the public, 5% will go to the management and development purposes. Okay, so here are the team. So if you want to double check who are they, so maybe later you can use LinkedIn to validate. Alex Wei is the CEO. So serial entrepreneur and startup executive, and previously Alex founded Airwave Incorporated. So he has a background. So the next one is Hunter Bannister Engineering. Is an experienced energy engineer with over a decade at Siemens Energy. Okay, I think this one you can verify in LinkedIn. And then Roger Davis, finance, is a seasoned finance leader. Okay, so Lucas Ishwis Renewables is a dedicated sustainable professional. Okay, so here's the roadmap, how long before it will mature. So second half of 2025. So right now is having the initial exchange offering, IEO, and then construction, because they need power, right? So with the proceeds from the IEO, Mint will begin construction of the site, 600 megawatt site in Alberta. So it will be in Canada by eliminating the grid interconnection, because it will use green energy. So by first quarter of 2026 until 2027, so this is the contract development. And Q4 2026, hashing token sale. So you can now use later on the Mint token that we bought. So of course you can trade also on some platforms like ProBit.com, right? And then launching hashing begins in the first half of 2027. So all the activities until the tokens are finished. So the service hashing cohorts will take up to 12 years. So the project is up to 12 years. Okay, so some cautions here from ProBit. Of course, disclaimer. So you need to read these terms and conditions. Okay, so that's the details that we got from the details of this Mint token. So it has a use case. And then there are 2 tokens that are involved, but only one is going for public sale, which is the Mint token. So as I mentioned to you, the price now is very low, 0.17 USDT. If the project goes live later on and then continue, then I'm sure the price will go up for this token. Of course, with your due diligence before you buy this token. Okay, so if you want to know how to buy, I have previously made a video. I got 2 videos here from probit.com. How to buy, because I actually buy the token. Later on, I will buy also here. And if we have follow-up video, I will show you also how to buy this Mint token. But it's quite easy. So you just put the details here. And you agree, and then you buy. And then automatically, you will be receiving the tokens at the specified dates. Okay, so that's all for now. You can visit the probit.com for more details, because this Mint token is ongoing already. So you have the Launchpad, and then this minting Telegram AMA. So it's good to see also who are the owners, and if you can see their face, then it adds more credibility to our tokens. Okay, so that's all for now. So please don't forget to subscribe as usual, due diligence for all the tokens here, and see you again in our next crypto blog.